Good day. My name is Vishala Sukul, along with my colleagues Isabel Monroe, Shazad Mohammed, and Jonathan Trim, and we are VISJON Limited. We are VISJON, and we will be presenting the DCIT digital notice board system to address the inefficient and static nature of the current physical notice board. The main disadvantages of the physical notice board are missed opportunities and unawareness of deadlines, events, and also the environmental impact due to the usage of paper. Our digital notice board system aims to solve these issues by implementing various features such as timely delivery of notifications of various events and important information, options to subscribe to interest groups, and the content of the notice board being managed by administrators. The digital notice board system will benefit the general student and staff population by providing accurate, timely, and target notifications for important notices. It will also benefit the DCIT student and staff population, DCIT club representatives, and the UE Guild, as they would be able to capture wider audiences with their respective notices.
Our problem solution proposes a modern digital notice board system to replace the physical ones at DCIT. The current system is quite ineffective as well as environmentally harmful, leading to missed opportunities for students. Our solution ensures instant updates, increased accessibility, dynamic content, and targeted messages by way of the subscription system. By going digital, we streamline communication, we reach a wider audience, and we reduce the environmental impact. This project offers a forward-thinking solution for effective campus-wide communication. Our proposed software project encompasses both functional and non-functional requirements, which are vital to its operations. For functional requirements, the system must enable seamless user authentication, allowing individuals to log in using their UE credentials. Admin users must be able to make requests to upload to the notice board, view announcements, perform searches, and be able to subscribe to groups, while administrators should possess the capability to manage the notice board effectively, facilitating tasks such as uploading, editing, deleting announcements, and accepting or rejecting requests. Moreover, the system must interact with a database, storing all uploads securely. It should support various functionalities such as categorizing announcements, managing recurring and temporary events, and automatically removing outdated notices. For non-functional requirements, media compliance is crucial. The system must validate uploaded media for specified formats, preventing errors and ensuring seamless usability. Furthermore, it should perform efficiently with swift response times for login failures and uploads, even under heavy loads. Scalability is essential to accommodate increasing user demands, while availability ensures uninterrupted access with minimal downtime for maintenance.
The notice board design includes firstly the use case diagram, which shows the actors of the notice board system. This includes the user, the admin, and the maintenance staff, and shows the interaction between them with various features of the notice board and their functionalities. The design also includes the sequence diagram. So the sequence diagram shows the various objects within the system, including the user's admin, the notice board, and the notice board's database system, and it shows the sequence of events between these objects. The last part of the design includes a class diagram, showing the relationships between the different classes, including the user's admin, the notice board, and the notices that were uploaded to the notice board. It shows the methods and attributes associated with each class, giving a better understanding of how the classes interact with each other. In terms of user acceptance testing, the system meets the requirements of the user by allowing functionality for both uploading and viewing announcements. The system tests the way in which the user is able to upload the announcements by testing whether or not the user is able to firstly upload the announcement to the admin, along with testing whether the admin has the ability to approve or deny requests sent by the users. For user functionality, the ability to easily search for announcements were tested, allowing the search and filter option and allowing searching using keywords. This tested whether or not the user was able to easily find announcements pertaining to categories or groups they are interested in, and it also allows a subscription to always notify the user of post announcements that they are subscribed to.
Upon developing our project, we have taken note of the following potential risks and developed strategies to mitigate them. Risk 1. Changing requirements which require considerable system modifications. To address this, we intend on implementing agile methodologies to iteratively address and modify evolving system requirements. Risk 2. Compromise functionality on certain devices. To mitigate this, we intend on conducting rigorous testing and optimization on various devices to ensure cross-platform functionality. Risk 3. Announcements taking longer than 3 seconds to be dispersed across the notice board. To address this, we plan to enhance the existing network infrastructure to improve the dissemination speed of announcements to the notice board. Risk 4. Budget underestimation. To mitigate this, our plan is to overestimate the initial project budget by 10% in the event of additional and/or unexpected expenses. Risk 5. Misjudgment of the project size. For this, we aim to identify the necessary project modifications to achieve the desired outcomes within the stipulated time and budget constraints. Risk 6. Institutional financial problems which result in cutting back of the project's budget. To address this, we plan on creating a briefing document for senior management highlighting the system's contributions to the institution's business goals. We also aim to contend against reasons to cut the proposed budget. Risk 7. Difficulty in hiring staff with required skills and expertise. To mitigate this, we plan to consider outsourcing software and hardware components which can replace hiring specialized staff. Risk 8. Inability of the system to handle the scalability requirements of the institution. For this, we aim to upgrade existing resources to increase system performance. Risk 9. Software tools fail to work together in a cohesive manner. In addressing this, we plan to implement software tools that facilitate built-in compatibility features. Risk 10. Inefficient management of the notice board system. To mitigate this, we aim to provide relevant training programs for the system administrators responsible for managing the notice board. Risk 11. The system requires a longer time to develop than forecasted. In mitigating this, we intend on overestimating the initial project deadline by 1 to 2 weeks to accommodate unexpected changes and delays. Risk 12. Inability of the existing network structure to support the system, especially during peak periods. To address this, we aim to upgrade the existing network infrastructure to increase bandwidth and performance. Risk 13. Stakeholder dissatisfaction due to misalignment between stakeholder expectations and project scope. To mitigate this, we plan to prioritize the project scope to firstly meet the stakeholders' needs. Risk 14. The system requires longer downtime periods than projected. To address this, we aim to enforce transparent communication of the reasons for prolonged system downtime. Risk 15. Critical staff are ill and unavailable at crucial times. To mitigate this, we plan to enforce shadowing of critical staff members to cover crucial responsibilities.
Cost estimation was performed using the constructive cost model. Due to the nature of our system, as well as its intended use, it was classified as an organic type system, and thus the calculations reflected that. Assuming that 9,000 lines of code was required to complete the project, it was found that the development effort would be 22.62 person-months. The development time was found to be 21.55 months, with an average staff rounding up to 2 persons. The estimated cost was found to be $240,120, assuming a $9,000 a month salary. However, the estimated cost can exceed $300,000, which includes expenses such as the cloud database license, the website domain registration, and server licenses. However, effort cost was also considered, alongside traveling and training expenses for team members. Overheads encompass workspace maintenance, communication infrastructure, shared facilities, and risk mitigation.
Moreover, our proposed DCIT notice board has a total of 5 interfaces. Firstly is the login interface, which is accessible to and required by all users to access the platform. Secondly is a general user home interface, which enables users to view notices, search notices, and filter notices by date. Thirdly is an administrator home interface, which enables the administrator to select one or more notices to delete from the notice board or edit the notice, as well as upload notices. This interface also enables administrators to accept ordinary requests from admin users to upload to the notice board. Fourth is the admin user's home interface, which enables such users to request to upload announcements. Lastly is the subscription interface, which is invoked when a user clicks on an announcement and subsequently clicks on the user or group to which the announcement belongs. This enables users to receive email notifications about announcements from that specific user or group.